Hey guys, this is Bailey Stein with Android Authority, and here at CES, Sony has just announced the Sony Xperia L2. Without any further ado, let's take a look. So, as you may know, the Xperia L2 is a low-end smartphone. On the front we have a 5.5-inch 720p display, but what's much more interesting is the ultra-wide-angle 8-megapixel front-facing camera. So if you have some friends, you can easily get them all in a single shot. The rear camera is a 13-megapixel f2.0 shooter, although we unfortunately didn't have enough time to play around with it to make any sort of judgment. The L2 will be offered in pink, gold, and black finishes. As you can see, we were able to spend some time with this stealthy black model. It's a matte plastic finish, but hey, it gets the job done. It sort of reminds me of the Nokia Lumia 920 from many years ago, especially with its nicely curved back. Internally, there's not really anything exciting. There's a MediaTek MT6737T processor, 3GB of RAM, and 32GB of storage. Those low-end specs, combined with a 3300 mAh battery, should translate into some good battery life though. Perhaps the biggest change that Sony is bringing with the L2 is a functioning fingerprint reader for users in the United States. In the past, those users were not included for reasons that we don't understand, and Sony's new lineup, the L2, XA2, and XA2 Ultra, all come with working sensors. All things considered, the L2 is a pretty bare-bones package, but maybe a great option if and only if it's priced competitively. Sony is only telling us that it will be available later this month without any confirmed pricing. Given Sony's historical overpricing though, we don't expect it to be a good value. But definitely be sure to stay updated on pricing and further information through our website. If you aren't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure to do that as well, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, as we always appreciate that. And remember, we are your source for all things Android.